Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we break down men's health topics in a way that's easy, practical, and, let's be honest, a little more comfortable to talk about. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to apply Eroxon Gel the right way. Whether you're new to this product or just want to make sure you're getting the best results possible, this step-by-step guide will have you covered. If you want fast results, comfort and confidence, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Using Eroxon Gel properly can make a real difference in your experience, so let's make sure you're set up for success from the very start. First things first, make sure you've washed your hands and the area you'll be applying the gel to. I mean, come on, hygiene matters. Clean skin helps the gel absorb better and reduces the risk of irritation or infection. Take a minute to use warm water and a gentle soap, and don't rush this step. Dry off completely. Moisture can mess with how the gel works. Any leftover water or dampness can dilute the gel, making it less effective. So, grab a clean towel and make sure both your hands and the application area are totally dry before you move on. Now take your Eroxon Gel. It usually comes in a small single-use applicator, kind of like a toothpaste sample. These are designed for convenience and to make sure you're using the right amount every time. Tear it open. That's the easy part. Squeeze out the gel onto your fingertip. You don't need a ton, just enough to cover the head or glands of your penis. It's better to start with a little and add more if needed, rather than overdoing it and having excess gel to wipe away. Here's the pro move. Gently spread the gel in a thin, even layer. Don't rub it in like lotion. You want a smooth coat that covers the entire head without dripping off. Think of it like icing a cupcake. Saying icing the cupcake, you want coverage, not a mess. Make sure you're gentle as the skin here is sensitive, and avoid getting any gel on other areas unless directed. No need to massage it in, just let it sit there and do its thing. Now, wait. This is a good time to relax. Take a few deep breaths, and let the gel start working its magic. Usually you'll start to feel a cool, tingling sensation within about 30 seconds. That's totally normal. It means the gel is starting to work. Some people describe it as a refreshing chill, while others might feel a gentle buzz. If you feel anything uncomfortable or burning, that's not normal. Just wash it off and check with your doctor. The effects kick in fast, so you won't be waiting around for long. Most users notice the sensation and results within just a few minutes, making it super convenient for spontaneous moments. Most people find it's ready in under 5 minutes. That means you can plan ahead or use it on the fly, whatever works best for you and your partner. If you need to wipe off any excess before intimacy, just use a clean tissue. This helps keep things neat and prevents any transfer of gel to your partner, which is especially important if they have sensitive skin. But honestly, it absorbs pretty well and shouldn't leave a mess. You'll likely find there's very little residue, so you can focus on the moment instead of cleanup. A couple of quick tips. Always read the instructions that come with your Eroxon Gel, since different products can have slightly different directions. And remember, a little goes a long way. Only use Eroxon Gel as directed, usually once per encounter. Using more than recommended won't speed things up or make the effect stronger, and it could actually cause irritation. Don't double up thinking you'll get double results. That's not how it works. Stick to the recommended amount for the safest and most effective experience. And again, if you notice any redness or discomfort, wash it off and check with your doctor. Everyone's skin is different, so it's always better to be safe and get professional advice if something doesn't feel right. So, to recap, wash and dry, apply a thin layer, let it work, and enjoy the benefits. It's a simple process, but following these steps can make a big difference in your results and your confidence. That's how you use Eroxon Gel like a pro. With a little preparation and the right technique, you'll get the most out of your product and feel ready for whatever comes next. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more men's health tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay confident. Remember, your health and comfort matter, so don't be afraid to ask questions or seek advice. See you in the next video.